how to log out of Facebook on your Android device. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook. For that, in the right upper corner, you'll be able to see the 3-bar horizontal line. So simply tap on that. So here are two ways of logging out of your Facebook. The first one is if you have multiple account or another account, then you can switch to that account and you'll be logged out of the currently account. For that, you have to tap on the drop down sign which is right next to the name of your profile, and from over here you can log into another account, and by doing that you'll be logged out of the current account. And the next and easiest option is you have to scroll down below, and at the bottom you can see the logout option. So you have to simply tap on that, and you have to tap on logout, and by doing that you'll be logged out of your current account. So by following these two steps, you can log out of Facebook account on Android device. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.